We're talking about the one anti-aging fruit every senior should eat daily to look younger, feel stronger, and live vibrantly. If you're over 50, 60, or 70 and want to reset your health and rise to your best self, this video is for you. So grab a seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's unlock the secret to aging gracefully. Oh, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our mission to live healthier and happier every single day. Now, you're probably wondering, Noah, what's this miracle fruit? Is it something exotic? Hard to find? Expensive? Spoiler alert, it's none of those things. It's a fruit you can find almost anywhere, and it's packed with science-backed benefits to keep your body and mind youthful. Drumroll, please. It's blueberries. That's right. These tiny, delicious berries are your ticket to anti-aging. And today, I'm going to show you why, how to eat them daily, and even share a super easy recipe. Let's get started. So, why blueberries? Let's break it down. Blueberries are often called a superfood, and for good reason. They're loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that fight aging at the cellular level. Here's the deal. As we age, our bodies deal with something called oxidative stress. It's like rust building up in your cells, caused by free radicals. This can lead to wrinkles, fatigue, and even chronic diseases. Blueberries are like a shield against that rust, thanks to their high levels of antioxidants called anthocyanins. Check this out. A 2020 study in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating just 1 cup of blueberries daily can improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and boost brain function. Another study from Tufts University showed that blueberries can slow cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. That's like turning back the clock on your brain. And let's not forget the skin benefits. Antioxidants in blueberries protect against collagen breakdown, keeping your skin firm and glowing. Who doesn't want that at 60, 70, or beyond? But here's a real-life story to bring it home. My friend's mom, Susan, is 72 and started eating blueberries every day about a year ago. She told me she feels sharper, her energy's through the roof, and even her doctor noticed her blood pressure's better. She calls blueberries her youth berries. That's the kind of reset and rise we're talking about. Let's geek out a bit more on the science, because I know you love the facts. Blueberries are packed with Number 1. Vitamin C. Boosts immunity and skin health. 1 cup gives you 25% of your daily needs. Number 2. Fiber. Keeps your digestion smooth and your heart happy. Number 3. Anthocyanins. Those purple pigments that fight inflammation and protect your cells. Number 4. Low sugar. Unlike other fruits, blueberries won't spike your blood sugar, making them perfect for seniors watching their glucose. Here's another cool fact. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that eating blueberries daily can improve blood vessel function, which means better circulation and less risk of heart disease, the number 1 cause of death for seniors. Plus, they're low in calories, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. It's like nature's candy designed for longevity. Now you're probably thinking, okay, Noah, I'm sold. But how do I eat blueberries every day without getting bored? Great question. The key is variety and simplicity. Here are 5 easy ways to make blueberries your daily go-to. Number 1. Morning boost. Add a handful to your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie. Number 2. Snack attack. Keep a small container in the fridge for a quick grab-and-go snack. Number 3. Salad. Star. Toss them into a spinach salad with nuts and a light vinaigrette. Number 4. Dessert hack. Freeze them for a sweet, icy treat on hot days. Number 5. Baking bliss. Mix them into muffins or pancakes for a healthy twist. Pro tip: buy frozen blueberries if fresh ones are pricey or out of season. They're just as nutritious. Studies show freezing locks in those antioxidants. And here's a budget hack. Check bulk stores or farmers markets for deals. A little goes a long way. To make this even more practical, let's whip up a quick recipe right now. My Reset and Rise Blueberry Power Smoothie. It takes 5 minutes, tastes amazing, and packs an anti-aging punch. Follow along. Here's what you need. 1 cup fresh or frozen blueberries. 1 banana for creaminess, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds for extra fiber, a handful of spinach. Trust me, you won't taste it. Optional, a scoop of protein powder for muscle health. That's delicious. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast or a post-workout boost. It's got antioxidants, fiber, and protein to keep you energized and youthful. Try it for a week and let me know how you feel. I bet you'll notice a difference. Before we wrap up, let's bust some myths about anti-aging foods that might be confusing you. I hear these all the time, and it's time to set the record straight. Myth number 1. You need expensive supplements to fight aging. Not true. Whole foods like blueberries are often more effective than pills. A 2019 study found that diets rich in fruits and veggies outperform most supplements for longevity. Myth number 2. Fruit is bad because of sugar. Wrong. The natural sugars in blueberries come with fiber, which slows absorption and prevents spikes. They're safe for most seniors, even those with diabetes. Just check with your doctor. Myth number 3. You can't improve your health after 70. Absolutely false. Research shows that dietary changes, like adding blueberries, can improve heart, brain, and skin health at any age. It's never too late to reset and rise. Now, blueberries are amazing, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. To truly thrive in your 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, here are 5 more habits to embrace, all backed by science. Number 1. Stay active. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise weekly, like walking or yoga. It cuts heart disease risk by 40%. Number 2. Sleep smart. 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep reduces inflammation and boosts immunity. Number 3. Stay social. Strong friendships lower early death risk by 50%, per a 2010 study. Number 4. Mind your mind. Meditation or puzzles keep your brain sharp and reduce dementia risk. Number 5. Regular checkups. Screenings catch issues early, improving outcomes for conditions like cancer. Think of blueberries as your daily spark, and these habits as the fuel for a long, vibrant life. Together, they're unstoppable. All right, Rise Squad, here's your mission. I'm issuing the Reset and Rise Blueberry Challenge. For the next 7 days, eat 1 cup of blueberries daily, whether in a smoothie, salad, or straight from the bowl. Track how you feel. More energy? Better mood? Glowing skin? Drop your results in the comments below. I can't wait to hear your stories. And if you're already a blueberry fan, tell me your favorite way to eat them. Let's inspire each other. If you love this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tip to reset your health and rise to your best self. Thank you for being part of the Reset and Rise family. You're why I do this. Keep rising, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next one.